Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2024 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LTZ. Comes equipped with a 3-liter Duramax turbo diesel engine paired to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Other amenities included such as premium leather heated ventilated seats, Bridgestone Blizzak tires, power sliding sunroof, bed liner with summer tires, and so much more. Come check it out. Alright, moving on to the interior. You're going to have this black interior with paneling cup holder storage on the bottom next to the Bose speaker sound system. Comes up to the power locks, mirrors and windows with the seat memory and wooden chrome accents. You get these black running boards here. These power adjustable, heated ventilated leather seats. Super nice. Okay. And left side will be your vents, and as well as 2- and 4-wheel drive mode selector, and lighting control. With the left side of the steering wheel will be your cruise control, forward collision alert, and heated steering wheel. And the right side being your voice recognition and odometer cluster control with 2 paddle shifters right behind. For the odometer, you can access all of your vehicle information, including your trip info, your gauges, adaptive cruise control, as well as your audio, navigation, phone connectivity, and other settings. So it's going to be push to start and onto the infotainment. Equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, built-in Google Assistant and Maps. You can also access your front, rear, and 360-degree camera, as well as the parallel mirror cams, as well as built-in Wi-Fi hotspot, access to Amazon Alexa, and My Chevrolet. Down below, you're going to have lane keep assist and your park assist right next to your auto stop. And down below, right next to your integrated brake controller, is your dual zone climate controls with 2 USB ports at the side. You're going to have the shifter there, cup holders with a wireless charger pad, 2 more USB ports, and an AC wall charger. Passenger sides being the same finish, power adjustable, heated and ventilated, wooded chrome accents all the way across, speakers vents up top. And then here you can access your reading lamps, OnStar and SOS, and your power sliding sunroof. So you get these blacked out 22-inch wheels on Bridgestone Blizzak tires. You get the Silverado and Duramax black badging there, chrome mirror caps, keyless entry door handles. You get a Truck Hero tonneau cover with the chrome corner step bumper and the dual exhaust. Trailer hitch and 5th wheel just under. And you got the multi-flex tailgate with the summer tires in the back, grab handle, 2 LED lamps, and an AC wall port. It's a very spacious rear. All right, moving on to the rear interior, got more paneling storage next to speaker, power window with the chrome accent. Up at the back, get the snow off. Pretty decent legroom, storage behind the passenger and driver's side with rear cup holders, rear heated seating, vents and USB ports. Cup holder and armrest right in the center. Storage behind the seats, as well as storage under. With the power rear sliding window, lamps at top, and the handles on the side. All right, well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet as we checked out this 2024 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LTZ, equipped with a 3-liter Duramax turbo diesel engine, as well as 22-inch wheels, heated ventilated leather seats, power sliding sunroof, spray-on bed liner, summer tires, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe. We hope to see Wolfe Chevrolet very soon.